Y dolyg ymwroedd y de ac Armel y Cloche yw'r cyntaf o'r 4 hwyliwr ar 15 ar ôl yn ras y Vendée Globe I groesi'r horn mewn record o 47 diwrnod a 32 munud.
Là, il a bonne température, il est bien frais. On va boire un petit coup pour le bateau là. Et un petit coup pour le Cap Horn. Merci de nous avoir laissé passer dans les mers du Sud.
Yn dyn ar isodle, mae'r Cymro Alex Thomson mewn hwyliau arbennig o dda.
Jingle bells, Alex sails around the world he goes. Single-handed breaking records, he's no twinkle toes. No, jingle bells, Alex sails, so much sea to cross. Oh, what fun it is to sail on the mighty Hugo Boss.
Yn rhyfeddol gyda mond ffoil ar un ochr I gwch, mae Alex yn lleihau'r bwlch ar Armel.
Well, here's the famous Cape Horn. Woohoo! Well, that was Cape Horn at 30 knots. They're quite difficult to film and be outside, as you can see. So that's just a fleeting glimpse of it. I got a good look through some windows. But like I say, great to be here. Great to be here so quickly. Shame I'm not here in first place, but full credit to Armel for that. He's done a great job, and I got to try my hardest to try and catch him up now.
Bellach mae Armel ac Alex ddeuddydd o hwylio ar y blaen I Jeremy yn y trydydd safle.
Oh là 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 là, c'est incroyable, quel suspense, quel suspense. On fera un peu les comptes après le poteau noir. C'est un petit peu maintenant le prochain obstacle délicat. L'objectif c'est pour moi d'essayer de creuser en ce moment, dans les prochaines heures, dans les prochains jours.
It's all good. The last days since Cape Horn have been brilliant. To be able to catch up all the miles and to almost get even with Bank Populaire has been amazing. And he will now extend away from me a little bit, but still, he won't be 800 miles away, and we'll have to see how it pans out when we get to the doldrums.
Ond roedd y rasio caled wedi profi'n ormod I rannau allweddol o'r offer hwylio.
Here we've got the furler, so the sail was attached here. We can see that it's actually opened up, so when it came loose, this is the bit was flying around everywhere. It was flying around, hitting the deck, hitting the hull, hitting the deck spreader, hitting the foil, and so my first job was to try and stop it from destroying the boat. So I put the boat downwind as best I could, but still it was flailing around everywhere, and I had to kind of lasso it. It cost me a fair few miles, but that's the kind of thing that could have cost me the race.
Anffawd y Cymro yn golygu taw Ffrancwr yw'r cyntaf I groesi'r cyhydeb.
Pour le passage de l'équateur, trinquons avec Neptune.
Ond pwy fydd y cyntaf I gyrraedd yn ôl I Ffrainc?